Hey guys, welcome back to another LandFX tutorial. This one is going to be focusing on this presentation button here. If you ever wanted to quickly color render a landscape plan for a schematic design package, possibly even a construction document set as well, LandFX can render plans and plants. So really unique, and again, it's really efficient. So if you ever needed to just crank out a quick landscape plan for whatever reason, you have the opportunity to do that. Not only will it render plants within the plan, it will also render within the plant schedule to keep things cohesive. So within your presentation button, you have the 3D connection, which can connect with SketchUp, Rhino, or Revit. And then you have color renders, plant shadows, and then the outlines, I'm guessing, just, will group your plants. So anyways, if we wanted to do a color render for whatever reason, we can come in here and you can see that what we've selected for plants previously will not align with what we're doing for rendering. So you actually need to go in, click, and select plants for render. So I'll just quickly go in and select here, and then you can select your color as well. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to go through these plants, and I will be right back when I have all of these designated. I have all of the plants that are present within the plant schedule. So they'll put them in order by the ones that you used, and then the rest of them will be towards the bottom. So you can see it's starting to render. Obviously this will take some time, so don't freak out. Obviously it's working on rendering, so it is going to take a little bit of time. So if I were to go to a layout here, we can see that this is semi-rendered. Kind of got some really dark shadows on those palm trees, but we can fix those plant shadows. You can change the angle. You can apply it to just trees or shrubs or both. Now we have them going down to the right. Again, this is just a really quick way to render in LandFX. So you can also put around the grouping. Since I do have a lot of groupings, you can put that outline around them. So I'll just do an offset of like 6 feet just so we can see that, and then it'll show where those groupings are. I would probably even adjust that to be less than maybe like 3. Oops, I turned it off. My bad. 3 on. There we go. If you ever wanted to make it even more obvious that they are within the same group. So this was a short tutorial. I'm not sure if any of you would use this, especially for our class, but you definitely could for your construction detailing class if you wanted to just add a little bit of color to a black and white plan for your CD sets. So I just thought I would share that with you. It's really quick, it's really easy. Obviously it doesn't look as good as if you were to render something in Photoshop, but I think it does the job, and it does it pretty well for how quickly it does it. So hope that was helpful. Feel free to utilize it if you think it's a good tool. If not, stick to AutoCAD, or stick to AutoCAD to Photoshop. So that's it. yeah, see you in the next one.